welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. I'm going to show you today where's the fuel filter located Renault Trafic. If you still not subscribe our channel, please do it now and press bell icon, then you can get our new videos. If you have any question, comments, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Straightly you need to come to the passenger side door. It's underneath passenger door. If you have a like this tray, it's bit handy. Put it underneath, and after that you can turn anti-clockwise like this. You can do with your hand, it's not tight. Right, turn. Right, now you can see diesel coming. Right, now it stopped. I'm going to reinstall this one, just tiny tight and leave it as it is. And the next step, I need to remove this one, this nut, and take out fuel filter little bit down and remove this electric connector. And there is a two hose, this one coming from the fuel tank, it's going behind the filter, and the front of the filter you can see this is the front of the filter, this one going to the engine. Right, if you're not sure, I'm advised you make a Tipex mark. I'll show you how to do it when I'm going to do the job. And also, if you're going to remove this pipe, you need a like this tool. If you have a like this tool, it's a bit handy. You can see the top. Then I'll put the link below. Then you can, if you doesn't have one, you can buy from online. I'll put it. This is the bigger one, this is the smaller one. This one enough for smaller one, enough for this job. Next step, I'm going to remove this bolt. It's number 10. Now it's bit down. I'm going to leave it as it is. Then I have enough space to play with the hose. First, there is a tab, something top. You need to press this one and remove the electric connector. You can see as it is. You need to press this tab like that and pull, it will come out. Now I'm going to leave out of way. Second step, you can see inside. I don't know you can see or not. Okay, anyway, I'm going to lose a little bit. I can do as it is, but I want to show you what I'm going to do. Because of that, I'm going to remove this one. Remove and open the bracket. Right, take out from the bracket. Now you can see this white connector for front. However, I am going to put the Tipex mark as I mentioned. Put it white mark here and white mark here. If you mix up, you know where's the white connector going now. And after that, I'm using my special tool and squeezing this white two tabs like this and lift up. Right, see, it's very easy. Oops, just press it that one and lift up. And also it's fuel coming, doesn't matter. we can't do much for that one. And the next step, you can see as it is the green one here, then I need to quiz in the both side like a white one and just lift up, then the both disconnect. Now you see this is the white hose, this one, and the back one green, right? Next step, I am going to outside and show you how to change the filter. Right, let's go outside. This is the new filter. We'll see what we have inside. Filter, and this is the fuel removing tool, and also it's come with 2 O-ring and instruction. This is the instruction to how to change the filter. First, you remember I done this one, remove this one and drain the filter. Then after that, second step as a remove the all things. They're going to leave it as it is, the top one, but I'm going to do the opposite. I'll take out the whole unit and I'm going to do the rest of the thing. Right. Next step, we need to remove all these screws because it came with the new screws. Then I'm going to use the gun for this one. And the other thing, when you're going to remove this one, no need to put the any mark here, because this side you can see straight, then the other side oval. That means you are not going to mix up anything here. This straight side lined up with the straight. Right, now if you have a like that small flat screwdriver, you are a little bit handy. Then I am going to lift up. Before that, you want to make sure remove this bottom knob before you lift up this filter. This one very stiff. I'll try to remove it. It's stiff because this inside O-ring little bit enlarged, that's why it's stiff. I'm going to slowly around the bits like this. See? Yeah, it's come out now. Right. Then when you're going to remove this one, put the mark here. I can put the mark here, and this mark need to lined up here. This mark need to lined up here. If it slightly change, it doesn't matter, but if it lined up here, it's nice. Right, see? This O-ring stiff, that's why it won't come out, however it came. Next step, need to take out this filter. Right, see, it's out, and make sure inside everything clean and nice. Right, after that I'm going to install new filter. Right, it's all the way in. Now you can see new filter in. Then after that I need to change this brown O-ring. Right, this is the new one. Apply little bit diesel, surround this area, then after that it will going nicely. After that you need to install this cap. Just do the hand tight. Right, next step, need to install this black O-ring. Remove the old one and install new one. Right, after that I am going to advise you add diesel before you going to install this one. I am going to add diesel here. Need to add little bit more. Right, you can see as it is, it's filled now. Next step, I am going to install this cap. You remember earlier I mentioned this mark need to be lined up here, this side. I'm going to do it now. Leave it like that and press in. Actually, I'm going to install this one first, then after that it will lined up nicely everything. Right, after that I'm going to install new nut screws, come with the washers. Now I am going to tight like a zigzag method. Make sure always everything going in nicely, otherwise you ending with the leaking. See, when it's going in, fuel coming from these two connectors. Right, I'm going to tight from ratchet now. Just do the hand tight. Right, this in all. Now I'm going to reinstall. Make sure the white line here. I'm going to do it. Next step, I'm going to install housing like this. Leave it. And also this one need to go back. This green one need to go back, and white one front. Right, make sure all the way in. Then after that I'm going to install 10 mm bolt. Right, it's in. Next one, need to install this connector. Right, that one also in. After that, take a rag and cleans around this area. Right, now bottom thing fine. Then I'm going to the top of the car and going to start first. Before you start the van, put it couple of times. Ignition on, leave it, then again switch it off, switch it on and leave it, again switch it off, switch it on and leave it. Next time I'm going to start with little bit depress acceleration, little bit press this one. Right, I'm going to start the car now. This is a little bit high RPM. I'm going to hold the high RPM little bit, at least 1 minute, to clear the all air inside the system. And still keep holding. And still keep holding. Right, it should be okay now. Then you can release the accelerator slowly, slowly, slowly. Right. Now you can see vehicle idle fine. Now I have to go underneath and have a look what happened underneath. Any leaking or everything all right. We'll see what happened underneath now. You can see as it is, it's nice and dry, no leaking. That's mean another successful job. If you want to change the fuel filter, Renault Trafic or Vauxhall Vivaro, same model, you have to follow this step. If you follow this step, you will be fine. Thanks for watching. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. If you have any question, comments, please mention below. I'll come back to you as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon, then you can get our new videos. Thank you. See you with another video.